Today I'm going to show you how to change the classic ribbon view in Microsoft Outlook. If you've been using the simplified ribbon and want to switch back to the more detailed classic view with all the traditional menu options, this quick adjustment will give you access to the full range of tools and features that Outlook has to offer. First, start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, log into your account and wait for your emails to load completely. This ensures that all the interface elements, including the ribbon options, are fully accessible and ready for you to customize. Once your email has loaded and you can see your inbox, look toward the top right corner of your screen where the ribbon is located. The ribbon is the horizontal bar at the top of Outlook that contains all your tools and commands. In the top right corner of this ribbon, you'll notice a small drop-down arrow or button. This is your ribbon layout control, and clicking it will reveal the different view options available to you. Go ahead and click on that ribbon drop-down. When you do, a ribbon layout menu will appear with a few different options for how you want your ribbon to display. This menu gives you control over how much information and how many tools you see in your workspace at any given time. From this menu, simply select Classic Ribbon. This option switches your view from the simplified ribbon back to the traditional, more comprehensive layout that many users prefer for its complete set of features and familiar organization. The classic ribbon displays all the tabs and commands in their full detail, making it easier to access advanced features without having to hunt through menus. Once you click on Classic Ribbon, the change takes effect immediately. You'll notice that your ribbon now shows more detailed tabs with expanded options, giving you the complete Outlook experience with all tools visible and organized in the traditional way that's been part of Outlook for years. And that's it. You've successfully changed your ribbon view to the classic layout in Microsoft Outlook, giving yourself access to the full range of features and a more traditional workspace. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.